Master, wouldn't it be faster to use a laser to cut the bending line directly onto this stainless steel?
Laser cutting burns the sheet metal, imitates the coating, and makes the bending point through to breaking, resulting in a low yield.
Is there any way to improve efficiency?
Using a grooving machine, control the weak groove dip to the 1/3 of the sheet thickness. For example, on this 2mm sheet, I can groove a 0.6mm deep groove.
What are the advantages?
Huge advantages. Sharp bending corners, beautiful appearance, no strains, no paint padding. Customers will be willingly to buy the finished product.
Growing. We must use a growing machine for all those high requirement jobs.